We made some progress on the Crossley 1040. Right now I'm currently fighting with the Flywheel gib key. The pulley came out easily, the other flywheel came out easily as well. Managed to move the key around 2 millimeter or 3, so it should come out. I'm going to take the flywheel so I can bolt this back part to remove the crank, mainly to access behind this plate, so it will so when I'm cleaning it, no debris will fall in the mains oil hose. That plate circulates the oil. Obviously it's always dipping in oil and always circulates and spun the oil with this brass piece. Oil will spill to the left and to the right for the main bearings. Obviously I can't reach behind this plate, and when I'm spraying with diesel I don't want to debris fall out in the right main. So that's basically why I'm taking the flywheel out. Got the camshaft and cam gear out. Also the governor was seized, but now it's free. This is basically it. The piston and big end is in a very good state. As soon as I got it out, the middle rings was a bit tight, so they will do good with a clean. Managed to get the Magneto sparking. The Magneto over here. It's stiff when spun, but it's sparking okay, I should say. I'm going to try it as is first, and after maybe I can clean the internal. It has a tight spot here. But it's tricky to get it open. Because that gear inside, God knows how to pull it out. First you have to get that gear out in order to unscrew the Magneto. Another thing that is going on is a restoration on this Lister H2 pump. This pump was involved in a fire, you can see, and obviously it needs a total dismantle. I have to make new valves because obviously they got melted. There's a valve here and one underneath. The big fight for this engine was this bolt. Today was maybe the 5th time heating it, and got the middle of the piston totally red hot today, because today was the final go. But now that was my fear, this bolt. Other than that, now I can say it should be okay. I made a tool to extract these valves because under this cage there's that I made this tool. It goes in there, but as soon as I got this out, I noticed I better make it deeper. So it reach all the length. So as soon as I have this tool ready again, I will have a go for the deep. That's all for now. The back cover is now off. And now you can see clearly how this disc works. When it's spinning, the oil will be wiped and drips to this side and the other side. The reason I took it out, because I didn't want any debris while blasting or washing, rather, with fuel, and some debris will fall in the main. You see? And will remain inside there. Scratches and worning out the bearing. Now it's ready to be washed. There's also a guard retained here. You can see there's some red color as well. That all will come out. Is it dry there? Or what is it? Hope you liked this update.